everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional looking logo for your business or personal brand. Your logo is your brand's visual introduction to your clients. Good news is, with tools like Canva, you can create your very own professional looking logo all by yourself. Let's get started. We are at the homepage of Canva. Now search for logo in search bar. You can specify your business like logo for gym or restaurant like that. Let's search for a clothing logo. You will see Canva recommending a variety of preset logo designs. Choose one that catches your eyes and let's start customizing. Remember, never use a logo preset without editing it. Personalize it to make it unique to your brand. Add elements associated with your business, change color, and try to make your logo unique one. So we make some changes to this template. Change brand name. Change color. And add some elements to add value to the logo. Keep these three things in mind when creating your logo. First, it has to be very eye-catching. So keep it very simple and don't crowd your logo with too many elements or clashing colors. Second, it has to be obvious. Make sure your logo clearly represents what your business is about. And third, it has to represent your business well. Your logo should leave a positive impression and attract potential customers. And our logo is ready. Now let's try to create one from scratch. Before we jump into designing, let's do a bit of prep work to keep our branding consistent in the future. You'll need to consider a few things. First thing is your business name or tagline. Second, your color scheme. Aim for 2 to 3 colors to keep it simple and versatile. Third, font name. If you're not sure yet, don't worry. Canva has a vast library of fonts to explore. So let's start designing a logo for our channel, the Digital Tutors. We will keep it simple. I will search letter DT in Element. Select this one and we will change its color. Add a laptop graphic and adjust it. Now we'll add text for our channel name here and change its fonts and color and place everything to its position. Once you're happy with your logo, download it in PNG format with transparent background. That's it. Our logo is ready. Hope you found this helpful. See you in the next video.